Forest officials seize truck loaded with illegal timber. Chokidar laments Pranab Vidyapit School's lack of assistance towards medical treatment. Good morning and welcome to Karbi Anglong Live. I am Jirbon Kilingpi, bringing you news for this morning. And now the news in detail. In yet another successful operation carried out by the forest officials posted at Keroni's southern range, a truck loaded with illegal timber was seized. This incident had further heightened the intensity of illegal timber trade in the district. The truck was seized by the forest officials when the forest officials were on patrol around the southern range area. When they reached a place named Mukro, they found the truck bearing registration number ML047795 fully loaded with timber. The driver, however, escaped from the vehicle before the forest officials arrived. According to local residents, there was a total of 42 logs of pine trees in the truck. They further told that the market value of the truck would be around Rs 20,000 and that the truck was bound for Meghalaya. Forest officials also informed that seeing the increase in the numbers of illegal supply of timber along the Jirikindeng area, they will conduct regular patrols to put check on such activities. However, officials lamented over the poor communication facility, which they pointed has been creating hurdle for conducting patrol.
বিশেষ সূত্ৰৰ পৰা খবৰ পাইছিলোঁ বিশেষকৈ আমাৰ জিৰিলিং সাববিটৰ যি ইনচাৰ্জ সেইটো মতে আমাৰ টিমটো অলৰেডি আমি পঠালোঁ তাতে আছিলে তেতিয়া ৰবিৰাম তেৰাং আৰু হুমচন ক্ৰ তেওঁলোকৰ নেতৃত্বত দুটা গ্ৰুপ পঠাইছিলোঁ মুক্ৰৰ এৰিয়া আৰু মুক্ৰৰ আশে পাশে সঠিক গাঁওখনৰ নামটো আমিও নাজানো তাতে আমি গাড়ীখন তেওঁলোকে ডিটেক্ট কৰিলে ডিটেক্ট কৰাৰ পিছত আমি ইয়াত লৈ আহিলোঁ আনি পেলাই এতিয়া মই চিজ কৰিম তাৰমানে মই চিজ কৰিছোঁ তেওঁলোকৰ লক্ষ্যটো কি আছিলে গাড়ীখন কাট লৈ পেলাই ক'ত লৈ যাব আমি যিমানখিনি সম্ভৱ অনুভৱ কৰিছোঁ সেইটো মতে তেওঁলোকে মক্ৰো আজিকালি খৰাং দিন আপোনালোকেও জানে পাহাৰী এৰিয়াটো বহুত শ্বৰ্ট ৰাস্তা আছে কোনোবা এটা ৰাস্তা দি তেওঁলোকে মেঘালয় বৰ্ডাৰ পাৰ কৰি মানে মেঘালয় ষ্টেটত লৈ যোৱাৰ এটা যোজা কৰিছিলে তেওঁলোকে মেঘালয়লৈকে কৰিব তেওঁলোকে আৰু সেইটো কৰাৰ যোজা চলি থাকোঁতে আমাৰ মানুহে অলৰেডি গম পাইছে পাই তেওঁলোকে হেড কৰাৰ খবৰ দিলে সেইটো মতে আমি যিখিনি বৰ্ডাৰত আমাৰ ষ্টাফ অলৰেডি দুটা আমি মোতায়েন কৰি থোৱা আছে সেই মোতায়েন কৰাত তেওঁলোকক ফোন কৰি দিলোঁ তাৰপিছত তেওঁলোকে সেই বস্তু ডিটেক্ট কৰিলে তাৰপিছত আমি ইয়াৰ পৰা গোটেই গৈম বুলি লৈ আহিলোঁ তালৈকে কেৰণি ৰেঞ্চৰ আণ্ডাৰত নেকি মক্ৰ এইটো আমাৰ ৰেঞ্চ আণ্ডাৰত পৰে এইখিনি ইয়াৰ পৰা কিমান কিলোমিটাৰ এনেই জিৰিঙিলৈকে 36 আৰু সেইখিনিৰ পৰা মিনিমাম 20 প্লাছ আছে 50 to 60 কিলোমিটাৰৰ ভিতৰত হ'ব ডিষ্টেঞ্চটো
Mohan Teron from Pelangpi, Karbi Anglong Live. Pranab Vidyapit School is one of most popular and reputed school in Bokajan subdivision town, which is located in Sukanjan, ward number 7. And 70-year-old Bir Bahadur Thapa is the chokidar of this school and has been ill since October last year. Sadly, the chokidar has not yet received any assistance from the school authority towards his medical treatment. The chokidar has been ill since October. According to him, he had approached the school authority for help but would always be told to wait for some time. With his health condition getting more serious and on getting no response from the school authority, chokidar Bir Bahadur Thapa took an auto on February 6 to Bokajan Hospital for checkup. While speaking to Karbi Anglong Live, Thapa said that he has been working as chokidar at Pranab Vidyapit School from 2013, and the lack of empathy from the school authority towards his genuine problem has hurt him a lot. The chokidar Bahadur Thapa is admitted at the Bokajan Hospital in bed number 26 and has been clearly told by the doctors to go to Dipu or Dimapur for better treatment, but he is still unable to go home or to where he has been referred to due to the lack of money.
এইটো পানী ওলাই খোজাব এইটো খৰি কিবা পথাৰৰ পৰা নে বিজেপি লৈ
It may be mentioned that Pranav Vidyapit is a reputed school in the country and it has also medical facilities for its staff. However, the inability to offer their urgent assistance towards its school caretaker is quite shocking. Ananterang's report from Bokajan for Karbi Anglong Live. The Langlokso Cooperative LAMS had begun the distribution of ration cards to the beneficiaries. The program was initiated by Korkanti BJP Mandal Committee President Dolo Ingti. The beneficiaries of the rations card under Korkanti MAC constituency had started to receive their cards from Tuesday. The Langlokso Cooperative LAM Society took the initiative to begin the process in their area. Mandal President Dolo Ingti was accompanied by Secretary Sukur Singh Bey and Bidya Singh Bey, BDO and other officials.
Nifai Sirkep Tangtanga Chiklo, Pini Langlokso LAM Salong, Nilitumla non Akimi Akart, Nonitum Tipon Bomlo, Lasi la Kedamtang 2015 anikan pen CP, Lasi Haso Card Bang Eban Olo, Lasi non Akimi jitu non Kifrin to Akimi, Lasi Pinige, Langlokso LAM Salong, Ipi Pangcheng, Ponlo, Pen non Ron Bomlo Nilitum. Pini Banke Karut Troxy Bag Duji, Pini Ron Banke, Lasi out of Mane 1312 pen Pinige 700 bag people. Ration card kawi bang putung pan bange non marni tuma warsai belang la itu niki non kidotang la so bang putung pan sinon pon bam la.
Portenong Korkanti constituency masuk ke Paropon Langlokso Cooperative LAM Salong. One nation, one ration card tu lah bang so kimi card keron bang kini keceng silo Korkanti lah. Bang so asing dengan long ni le tu makai local MSC mate cooperative in charge EM Raju tu so kai konsigi hang sampai lang li kaprek kecing kan re kam tu kau join ni fancy mate ni li Korkanti BJP Mandal Committee ni fancy dakan kau itu.
Leaders of the BJP party stated that the new ration cards being distributed with the aim to make the dream of one nation, one ration card a success. As per this new rule introduced for ration, a beneficiary will be entitled to receive ration from any cooperative society across the nation. Samsing Ingti from Dongmuka for Karbi Anglong Live. The Bharatiya Janata Party is in active mode as the state is only waiting for the declaration of the state assembly election, which is likely to be held in the month of April. The Pristha Pramukh Sanmilan or grassroots workers meet on Monday held at Doloni was chaired by the West Karbi Anglong District BJP President Rodi Brongham, Assam Pradesh BJP Vice President Pulu Gohai, Hojai District BJP President Anup Kumar Dey, EM Rupsing Teron, Ratan Teron, MAC Pawan Kumar, Rani Terangpi and Prabhat Chandra Taro attended the meeting organized for the BJP workers. During the party workers meeting, the Assam Pradesh BJP President Pulak Gohai explained the strategies for upcoming state assembly election with special emphasis on execution of election campaigns more efficiently. The state BJP leader also urged upon its workers to adopt the various methods to win the confidence of the voters in order to ensure victory by huge margins. Vicky Bay's report from Troxy for Karbi Anglong Live. Now those were the top stories for this morning. Thank you for watching Karbi Anglong Live and have a great day.